number 2. Have you guys been watching this all day?
Well, the day's not over yet, but that was our goal, yes.
Yeah, it's not like we're addicted to it or anything.
I have a friend named Brian. Tired of talking about him because I'm too busy talking about myself.
I'm sorry, kids, but it's time you...
People's TV lives and start living your own lives. You don't understand.
Brian was
They're rich and famous.
1,488 years old and annoying.
That not true.
Now it's just sad.
Listen, I'm just saying...
You asked.
All I'm saying is that if you just got off the couch
Sometimes I have my digital computer.
Maybe you could be rich and famous.
Since it's really noisy.
What's the purpose of our lives if we can't watch other people's lives on TV?
Wait, that's it. Mom and Dad are right.
Brian comes to my room, shut my computer down, and say,
Famous, we can watch anything you want, anytime.
Darren, what do you think about my song? I've been created on YouTube.
Pudding.
That beats me. Sometimes you get to watch it on YouTube.
You're the only guy we know who could get us this kind of camera equipment.
Sometimes you make
Dooley
cat crying noise.
Who got it for you?
You know,
When you needed 4 wetsuits, a lockpick, and 200
he
motor
likes
guns filled with grease
to
over.
make noises.
Do it.
Hey, sound guy, stop!
Now here's your portable confessional. This is where you can escape and get things off your chest.
Ooh, I got things on my chest.
Should I tell Brian
It
that
totally works. This chocolate
music
chip came right
was
out my
terrible?
chest.
Like scraping your nails on the walls?
Either way, it popped right off.
Dooley, this is incredible.
Yeah, but where did you get all this? Wait, this stuff isn't... No one else is concerned about what else you're doing.
No. Sometimes I just pretend to fall asleep on the computer.
The faster we shoot this, the faster we get rich.
Well,
And the faster we can watch
sometimes,
whatever we
no.
want. Okay.
Bowser's
rolling, step
age
normal,
was 12.
And...
Guess what? Someone in this room has a birthday coming up.
Ooh, is it me?
Well, sometimes
Is it you?
you should subscribe those noises.
Is it us?
No, it's me.
So Brian
So,
comes
what do you want to do
back
for your birthday this year? Big party?
and screams.
The best reality show, arguments, and drama. All the good stuff.
Darren, I tried to find you all day at school. Do you like my song? Huh? What's your problem?
With his barf. That was your fault for having a hot dog eating contest.
Alvin!
Those were for everybody.
Turn the lights on.
Okay, so last year
And
I
none-
got your best birthday.
Oh, I said I had an idea.
Hey, you start sloppy jokes before you let us in the bounce
So,
house. That was
I had an idea.
It was on everybody else.
Yeah, I think...
Okay, Alvin, you can turn the lights off.
If we promise not to eat anything, will you let us make it up to you and party this year? Please.
Close enough.
Fine, but nothing big, just us. Got it.
Nothing big.
Halloween party.
And Nikki's right. Think about how proud that'd be for us. I mean, May, this is all about...
Sometimes I told Brian to record the pet fish.
With a special presentation of the hit movies Rufus and Rufus 2. Stupid squirrel.
And
I know, I couldn't believe it either. It's great. Plus,
sometimes
awesomeness. Go behind the the scenes with your favorite stars
put
and their
down
friends.
your music. I mean song.
So sit, stay, and watch the Raise the Rufus replay. It
And
starts tomorrow at 6
turn
on Nick.
down that crying cat noises. If you don't follow my advice, it would hurt my feelings. Anyway, he ran against the microphone and recorded down the song. And also, he comes back and say, "How do you like this? I turned down the cat playing a fish." It was awful. So, I started to tell him, "Why don't you record Mom making a smoothie?" And even put down your song as well. And that'll keep him out of my room. So I hope you enjoyed Brian's song. Splat ya later. Hey everyone, I'm Bowser. If you like this video, please subscribe. What kind of video this is? Whatever kind of video this is. Anyway, subscribe Mario. See if you keep subscribing every day.